has the numbers. Matt.
Hey, John, it is mixed results for Lyft. Those shares moving almost 5% lower in extended trade. Earnings coming in at 11 cents per share, beating the 8 cents that analysts were looking for. Revenue was essentially in line at $1.69 billion. Gross bookings, that's the total value of rides on the platform, were a slight beat at $4.78 billion. Active riders also came in ahead of estimates at 28.7 million, while profitability, it was in line with adjusted EBITDA of $139 million. Looking ahead to Q4, Lyft is guiding to gross bookings between $5.01 billion and $5.13 billion, above expectations at the midpoint. And then the company expects adjusted EBITDA of $135 million to $155 million, with that midpoint roughly matching street estimates. Stock, though, in sell-off mode, around 4.5% lower now.
All right, so this is Lyft on the monthly chart. And as you can see, price has rounded out and bottomed. And we did get a candle close above this range-bound price action back in September. Price is basing potentially for the next leg higher. How far can price go? Well, you have this drop in price, basing candles, and then the drop. So price could move, say by mid 2026. Price could move up to that $40 range. Again, why can price double? Well, price has bottomed and based for the last couple of years. You are getting that breakout. $40 target would mean price would be moving another 100%. And this $40 level coincides with this, what was recently support, resistance. Again, support, resistance, which should serve as resistance once again. Let's scroll down to the weekly chart. Again, what you can see more on a granular level, breakout, pullback before the potential next impulse move higher. Now, although on the macro level you have a $40 level, you do have a drop, a basing candle, and then the drop. So we want to call that weekly sellers. We're going to call that 33.50. All right, let's take it down to the daily chart. One can say this is the makings of a, that's the opening bell. This is the makings of a bull flag. Now the oil markets are down. Wait until next week. You get a couple candles above this upper portion of the bull flag with higher than normal volume. that could be the opportunity to take it long.